Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a power-up part in Roblox Studio, which will be pretty cool because it'll make your avatar run faster and jump higher. So make sure to anchor it and then add in a script which will make it give the player abilities. So first write script.parent, so the part, and .touched, which will, if the part's touched, then trigger this event. So we want to connect that with a function with a variable hit, which will automatically default what hit it. Go across one character and click enter, which will create this function here. And now we want to check if it's a player, so make a variable called hum, which stands for humanoid, and hit.parent. If it's really a player that touched it, then the hit.parent should be the player model. And we want to go find first child and a humanoid. And if the humanoid exists, then we're going to give it powers, because we don't want to give the ground different powers. It could be the ground that touched it, but the part will still register, which we don't want. So we check if there's a humanoid player, because only players have humanoids in them. So now we go humanoid dot walk speed equals 100, which will make it about how much, like 6 times faster, because it starts at 16. Your walk speed, so it'll make them way faster. Not exactly 6 times, but it'll make them way faster in the walk speed to 100. And we want to set the humanoid so it uses jump power, otherwise we won't be able to set the jump power. We'll just have a jump height. And we want to set that to true so we can use it. And we go hum jump power, the last line, and we want to set this to 200 because the jump power starts at 50, so 200 gives you exactly 4 times more jump. And if you click play, now if you walk onto this brick, it'll go way faster and you'll be able to leap high in the sky. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to the video, and thanks for watching. Bye. And thanks for watching.